Hi, welcome everybody. Let me explain to you about the building automation system or BAS configuration. A building automation system is an integrated system to monitor and control all the facilities in a typical building. So, if you look at a typical building automation system, we have many subsystems such as the lighting system, the heating and ventilation system, etc. So if you take one system, say lighting system, for the supplier of the lighting system, he supply all the lights, all the connections, switches, controllers, including all the computers which work as a server where the information is stored over a long period of time for the maintenance point of view. And for the supplier, it is a complete system. Whereas for a BAS or building automation system, lighting is only a subsystem. So when I explain things, I use the word lighting subsystem, HVAC subsystem, etc. HVAC stands for heating, ventilation and air condition, which consists of the chiller, the air handling units, the fan coil units, and the variable air volumes, and finally the servers that control the entire air conditioning system. So we have other subsystems such as mechanical system for pumping water, gas supply, etc. And one of the most critical component in any big building is the fire and safety. The fire and safety, as per the Singapore regulation, has to be independently wired and independently controlled with no reliance to other systems. So a building automation system cannot control a fire system, but it is allowed to be connected to a building automation system for the purpose of monitoring and not for control. Okay, the next one is the security system, where we implement all the cameras and the access control system, etc. And finally we have the power electrical power distribution system, which is also computer controlled at the modern times. And all these systems will have its own independent servers. Physically, this is usually placed in the FCC room. So the FCC room is the place where all the BMS related subsystems computers are located, and that's a place where, as a mandatory requirement, there is a human being 24 hours 365 days. So since FCC have this requirement that the room should be manned, why not we use that facility for controlling other facilities? So typically this is the place where a man-machine interface or human-machine interface to control the entire building automation system is located. Now let us explain to you how and what is inside a MMI. Okay, if you look at the screen where the human being is monitoring it 24 hours, it looks like this. Usually they use a mimic diagram. Okay, for example, this is the air handling unit. So if you look at an air handling unit, there is a supply air from outside, which is controlled by the dampers, control dampers, filtered by the air filters, and chilled down by the cooling coil, and the fan which is supplying the air to the room is operated from here. So here we can actually see the fan is running, not running, or if you by the click of a mouse you can operate this fan. So this is an interactive mimic, meaning I can control here as well as I monitor. So when it is in operation, you can see all the parameters of a air handling unit such as temperature, humidity, and the control valve control parameters. So from here you can go to other subsystems by clicking or selecting subsystems such as mechanical system, fire system, etc. from here. So this screen, which is 24 hours monitored by humans in the control room, is called the man-machine interface, or it is an integrated place where everything can be monitored and everything can be controlled.